Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I am back with another video. Okay, so I'm going to saute some onion, bell pepper, 3 types of bell pepper, well, green, yellow, red, and onion. I'll add the garlic later for my spaghetti, homemade spaghetti sauce, okay? And we're going to have the fried chicken. So I'm going to let this saute for a little while, then we'll put the sauce together. Bring you guys back in a little bit. Okay, so here's the sauce for the spaghetti. Just going to let this marinate for about another 30 or 40 minutes. See, I have a bay leaf in there. And I'm not going to add the spaghetti to the sauce. I'm going to actually keep it separate and just boil the spaghettis and then put the sauce over the spaghetti when I get ready to eat. All right, let's me prepare the chicken so I can get that fried up. Okay guys, the chicken is done. Gonna let this drain for a minute. And it'll be time to eat. What's up guys? How y'all doing? It's Sunday evening. What's going on? Well, it was a long day. My Cowboys played like true NFC champions today, but it was one game too late. Let's bless the food. Bless this food that I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body. Amen. What's going on, guys? Been a long day for you, girl. My boys, they're going home. They're going to go fishing early, I guess. It's vacation time for them. All right. That's okay. They did good. Not mad at them. So I have homemade spaghetti. You guys, I showed you how I made the sauce. And then I have me some fried chicken wings. And you know how I season those. All right. We got 2 types of hot sauce on deck. This pepper sauce, then the regular hot sauce, and some honey. Got me a drink. And we're just going to dig into these spaghetti. What's going on? I decided I wanted me some homemade spaghetti. And I didn't mix it and bake it and put cheese in it this time. I just wanted to do it the old-fashioned way. So, probably should have got me a spoon so I could twist it up real good. But this sauce, it is so good. It really is. I taste the basil, parsley, all of those good seasonings that I put in there. This chicken looks perfect. Look at that. All right, put me a little hot sauce on here. So how was your Sunday? You guys ready to go back to work? Or did you take off until the new year, after the new year? I used to do that when my kids were younger, but I don't do it anymore. Yep, I used to take off and have me a long vacation. That's good. Let me taste my chicken. This chicken is fried to perfection. Do you hear me? And that seasoning, I'm gonna tell you, all those different seasonings, the Italian seasoning, the basil, the oregano, the parsley, soul food seasoning, salt, Tony's, a little bit of that all mixed on this chicken, it makes a difference. It really does. Try it. You guys will like it. So guys, you know I told you guys yesterday I'm going to be selling my sauce. Hopefully the first of the year. I can't wait. I am so excited. You guys excited for me? Hope you guys buy some. Everyone says it's good. People that have tasted it so far. I actually have an order for a seafood boil tomorrow. I'm making for someone. Yep. Friend of the family. And I am happy to do it. They've been supporting me from day one. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. So if that's something you're interested in, DM me, okay? Let me know. Or email me. My email address is in the description box. Mm. Mm, mm, oh. So good. Ooh. Mm, mm, mm. So I know a lot of people eat coleslaw fried chicken with their spaghetti. Do you guys like chicken with your spaghetti? And some people don't need anything with it. I think this is more of a down home type thing. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, guys, but I am really, so for me now, football is just, it's over. I could care less. It's no fun anymore. America's team's not in it. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, but my brother's happy. Wayne, aka Mario, his Eagles made it. Mm. And my cousin BJ. Huh. BJ, I know you happy. Those old Eagles made it. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. I'm telling you, try my recipe for the fried chicken. You will not be sorry. Now, do not go in there and add all of those seasonings, a lot of it, okay? Do about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of each. Put a little bit in your flour too as well to season your flour, and make sure you use some Sazon, okay? Mm-hmm. Get you some Sazon. They're starting to put it in different grocery stores now, so it's becoming a little more popular. One of my brothers told me it's been out. He's used it for years. I didn't know that. Mm, 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 mm. Delicious. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. So did y'all decide yet what you're going to do for the new year? I know I asked you that yesterday. I didn't get any comments. What are you guys doing? It's going to be low key for me. I'm not going to do much. Mm, 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 mm. This is the first thing I've eaten all day. And I was hungry. Look at that. Mm. Mm. Yummy. Mm. Mm. I don't know if y'all can hear that. Someone's speeding. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. And it's crunchy. You know, the standard time for cooking chicken is about 15 minutes. I always cook it at least 20 because I like it crunchy. Some people like their chicken soft. Not I. Nope. Yummy. Very good. You guys need to try this and try my spaghetti recipe as well. I pretty much used all of the seasons that I use for my chicken, even Sazon in my spaghetti sauce. I added just a dab of sugar because, you know, tomatoes can be a little bitter. So add you a dab of sugar. Unless you're going to use ragu or something. But I like to make my own because you can season it and make it your own. The way you want. If anyone knows me, you know I love my seasonings. Look at that. Okay, let me try this one. This is the pepper sauce. It's not bad too. Gotta have some honey on it though. Ever since I told one of my co-workers rather, they've been eating chicken with hot sauce and honey. That's good. Delicious. Look at that. It's good. You can see I was hungry. I was hungry. Trying to get that out the camera. But I'm starting to get full. Don't take that much. Sometimes you think you're really hungry and you're not that hungry. Is this your first time visiting my channel? Thank you for stopping by. You know what I need you to do? Like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Turn those post notifications on. Ring that bell. Share the video. I need you guys to start sharing my video. Get it out there. Get it out there in the loop. I have a lot of people that share it on Facebook, and I sure do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. It means a lot. Because I've been working really hard. Like I say, this isn't hard. I mean, this isn't easy, guys. Come on, you know, it looks like I just jumped on here, but it takes a lot to get it together. But like I said, I enjoy doing this. This is what I really do like this. And I can't wait to start collabing more with some more people. Hopefully that's mukbangers, as well as I got one chef that I'm going to collab with. I can't wait. Went to culinary school. So I gotta get ready. You know your girl gonna give it a run for the money now. This one might be a little too crunchy, but it's good. Okay, guys. Thank you for stopping by and having Sunday dinner with me. I appreciate it. It wasn't a soul food Sunday dinner, but, you know, Cowboys played at 3, and I was just really thinking we was going to be able to pull it through. We won, but like I say, when you have to depend on another team to win for you, and we were depending on New York, I knew that wasn't going to happen. All right. Thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you for all your support. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. hit that red button, press subscribe, and then turn on your post notifications, okay? And make sure you share my video. All right? You never know what I'll be cooking, where I'll be, or who I'll have on the show with me. But one thing you can always count on, you are always welcome in my kitchen. Bye-bye. See you guys next time.